Boo, you ready? You ready? Ready? Go. Good girl. Come on, do a shake. Oh yeah, I love the shake. You did really good. Get your finishing on. Up, up, up. Good girl. Good out. All right, let's do the frisbee. See if we can get her jumping in the air. She loves the frisbee. Come on. Come on. Come. Sit. Let's see if we can get you. Ready? Good. Yeah. Good. Out. Come here. Woo. Come on. Sit. Sit. Good. Wait. 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 Go. Good girl. Up. Come here. Woo. Come on. Get her sniff on. Woo-hoo. Good cat. Good girl. Yeah, you did good. Thank you. You ready? Sometimes you jump and get it. Let's see. Come on. Oh, no. Come on the camera. Good girl. You ready? Sit. Go. Good girl. Okay, good girl. Sit. 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 Woo. Look. Sit. Look. Look. Sit. Sit. Good girl. Oh my God, she's ready to attack. See, she thinks she's gonna sit and then take off running. Okay, wait. Ready? Ready. Yeah, good girl. All right, that's kind of our frisbee night. Kind of our swimming and our frisbee. Let's see if we'll do one more swim for you guys. She loves swimming too. Come on, Squeaky.
Ooh, it's all wet. It's all wet.
She kind of swims hard too, though. Watch when she grabs it, she punches at her right turn. See that turn? She kind of pushes the turn. She's kind of cool. Good girl. I'm just gonna let her play now. She's been exercised pretty good. So whatever she wants to do now, we're done. She can just be a goofball. I think I'm gonna name my next dog Goofy though. Come on, Goofy. You like that one? How about Mule? You might be better, Mule. Blue Mule. Come on, Mule. Come on. Now she just run in my house, super wet and muddy. Where are you at, Beu? Blue, blue. Let's see you. Everybody wants to see you just a little bit. Let's see your face. Oh, there we go. I got her loosened up now. Blue, let's see that beautiful face. Just a little bit. See if we can get you. I think she hides dog treats over there in the mud. She was doing it earlier with her nose. See, now she's going back in the house. I need to get her a few treats, but I'm cooking a pork loin, and I use that for her treats. I just kind of cut it up. It's healthy, less inexpensive than some of the other ones. She loves them. She can smell it. It's almost done. I just put it in the oven and cut it up in real tiny cubes for her. There, she's just getting her sniff on. That's probably as important as anything in the world. Now she come back and find out what the heck I'm over here doing. Uh-huh. Birds are out. Cicadas. Cicadas were out earlier today at the job site. There was thousands of them. They land on you. Land on your face, your arms. Blue. See her here. But she don't care. Blue. Oh, there you go. What the heck? Let's see if we can do one more of the air retrieves for her. You want to try? It's open class. You want to get it? Get it, boy. Get it. Come on. Go. Go. Yeah. That's like 6 feet high. I can walk under that. So she can jump pretty high too. We don't do a whole lot of jumping, just a few practices here and there, just to give her the idea of it, not so much to exercise her with it. It's not really good for their hips forever and ever, but it does give her a good indication that if she goes up and gets something, she can get it. So that's kind of one of our trials too. She's more in the curious mode now. We've done enough exercises that she can just chill. I'm gonna go get some of her treats on too. I think that roast should be done. I get to eat some roast too, so does she. But I cut hers up in real small cubes. They're real tiny. She can smell it. She knows it's in the kitchen hanging for her. Let's see if she knows when I go in the kitchen. Yes, I still need to get my deck done, my window done. I got other things to do too, but I can either play with the dog or work. Play with the dog.